Hello, good day all of you. I am Madhudit Sagara, a lecturer in civil engineering. In this video, I will teach you the way of filtering research papers using Science Direct. Science Direct is one of the most important research platforms which is full of so many research papers, but unfortunately so many undergraduate students as well as researchers don't know the exact way of filtering their very useful and the target research paper using the search engine. Then we will go to the methodology. For that, select your browser and go to Google and search as Science Direct. Then it will guide you to the Science Direct website. Then you will be able to see such an interface. Then you can type your keywords. I will assume that my aim is to find research papers on sustainability. Okay. Then you can see the vast amount of papers are available. But you can't use each and every paper. When you are doing research, it is better to use the latest papers. Think that you are using a very old paper, 1997 paper. It is too old. When it comes to 2020, researchers can prove that 1997 method is wrong. Then what can we do? We have to use the latest paper. Then think that we have to select papers from 2018, 2019, 2020 and 21. Think that the filtration it is about 3 lakhs. Before that it is more than 1 million. Then we will filter it to only 3, 19, 20 and 21, about 1 lakh. When it comes to 2020 and 2021, it is only about 80,000. Then this is a way of filtering it by the year. Then you can filter it with respect to the article type. There are a number of article types. It can be review article, research papers, encyclopedias, book chapters, conference abstract, book reviews and so many. You can see a vast list here. Think that you want to select only review articles, then click on it. Then 2020 and 2021 only review papers are available here. Then you can select it based on the publication title. It means you can select it based on the journal. It means your aim journal. You will think that you are selecting it using Journal of Cleaner Production. It is a very reputed journal. Click on it. It is only 250 result. It means Cleaner Production Journal has published 250 papers on 2020 and 2021. It means research article, not the research article. It means Cleaner Production Journal has published 250 review articles on 2020 and 2021. And also you can filter it using the access type. It means open access. If we are clicking it, it will be only 13 papers. In most cases we don't need this access type, because when it is not open access we can download it using so many predatory platforms such as SCI Hub and so many. I am not telling it because they are not legal. Then I will tell you the way of achieving it. Okay, we will come to this one. Ranking sustainability is a review article. Go to this article and you can download it very easily. You can download. Get access means you have to pay it and download. Otherwise you can directly download it. Okay, we will try another one. I will think your aim is road safety. Here, road safety, so many people. I will filter it to research articles. Oh no, I will select it to book chapters. Only 749. Then I will make it to the publication title, Advances in Transport, Policy and Planning. Only 9 papers are available. And I think you understood the way of filtering your aimed research paper using Science Direct. If you are having any issue, please make me aware. I will help you to get them solved. Thank you. We'll meet with another video soon. Have a good day. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, now it's the perfect time for you to subscribe it. Please go to YouTube and type my name, Madhujit Sagara. Then you can find my channel. Go to my channel. Then please subscribe it. If you want to receive my latest notification on my latest video, you have to click on this bell icon. You can enjoy my YouTube channel since I have categorized my videos in so many playlists. If you are interested on civil tutorial, you can find them also. SAP 2000 tutorials are available, MS Project are available, Revit architecture are available, Revit structure are available, and civil 3D tutorials are available, and also Procon tutorials are available. Thank you. Then don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll meet with another video soon.